am Rayami T. Candog, BEd-GE1 student of Baisubilar Campus. In our subject World Literature, I learned a lot, enjoy, and have fun on this subject. So what is world literature? World literature is a vibrant field that encompasses literary works from diverse cultures and languages, transcending national boundaries. The world has 7 continents: the Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Literature is divided into 2, the prose and the poetry. The prose have 2 subdivisions, the fiction and non-fiction. And poetry has 3 subdivisions, the narrative poetry, lyric poetry, and dramatic poetry. Lately, we reported about the poetry of Africa, Japan, Europe, and Australia. Poetry of Africa has 8 broad canons: the pioneer poetry, modernist poetry, disillusionment poetry, Civil War poetry, alter or native poetry, apartheid poetry, Niger Delta or echo poetry, and contemporary poetry. Australian poetry is a rich and ancient literary genre that has been used in the various forms since ancient times. Japanese poetry has 10 types: the haiku, kanshi, renga, renko, waka, tanka, haikai, haibon, katauta, and sedoka. European poetry history. The history of European poetry is rooted firmly in oral tradition storytelling. Long before the written text, people stories as a new way to remembrance and connection. This oral tradition has often accompanied by music and song. It is since involved in the poetry that we know today. First is the ancient poetry. Next is Old English, Middle English, Renaissance poetry, the Enlightenment and Neoclassicism, the Romantics, the Victorians, Edwardians, Georgians, Modernism, Postmodernism, and contemporary poetry. These are the famous poets of the world. First is William Shakespeare from Europe. Next is Henry Lawson from Australia, and Chinua Achebe from Africa. To our teacher in world literature, Mrs. Maricel Maalihan, thank you so much, ma'am, sa pag-support na mo kanunay. Thank you kay kanunay minimo i-motivate and kanunay mo i-appreciate among effort and nakakakanunay na mo. Then, thank you, ma'am, kay na teacher ka na mo bisig isa ka semester lang. Ma'am, unta ikaw gihapon among teachers sa second year. Thank you so much, ma'am. Your motivational words nga gihatag na nimo, ma'am, is nag-motivate na mo kanunay and nag-inspire na mo sa pag-eskwela. Thank you kanunay, ma'am. Bye!